that is mean a bad one. And a strike hook there from Arewa fighter. Followed by another one, and slapped his opponent down to the edge. Kudu's fighter was not coming in the time to try to stop that game. He saw it coming, Alaye Kudu saw that coming, and he rushed in to try to save his comrade. But two body size and left hook again there from Washa. Washa trust 4-5-6 in quick successive trust. Ooh, and he knocks his opponent out. Well played, Makwa. Bagon Shagon Minu Makwa. Swept just in time, switches his leg position and strikes a left hook straight into the jugular of his opponent, Dogon Washa. But this Farouk Shagon might take us around. And a knockout straight to the point. Gurugu Dogon Sak chases his opponent, but the umpires they hold him back. He was grappling and he got pulled in and received the right hook straight to the temple. He didn't see that coming, eh? Hey. Nice dodge there from Al-Azhar. An uppercut there. Al-Azhar keeps diving his face into Tanko's uppercut. Not looking at where he's swinging to. And the left hook again there. And the left hook strikes him down to the earth. And it's a knockout. That is how it is done. Bagon Ishaku Tanko from the House of Gurumada has done good work. His effort has paid off. Even the crowd, they are pleased with him. And you see the left hook caught Al-Azhar here. He didn't expect to lose this game, as you can see. The smile on his face, smile of defeat. That is how it is. And Shagon Shamsu with an overhand. Whoa! Shagon Kosilaye destroys Shagon Shamsu in one overhand bite. And he cates the dust. Flash! Maru missed and Alabo strikes the right hook. Bounced on his head and an uppercut and plummet Ebugu to the earth. Oh, that's Alabo towers over his kill and struts away to gyrate to the beating of the Kalangu and Kutunku drums. That is an experienced, skillful fighter, judging from that replay. You could see the way he switched into an uppercut mode that the yellow fighter could not. Lucas to shield Alaye's but too slow. Alaye position and Levi is turning overhand punch that crumbles Ali too like a pack of cards. As his comrades rushing to revive it, still won't lead down Ali. Watch that replay. See how Alaye switches to the left angle to blind side and drop that bomb overhand on Dan Ali. Top class finishing. Smoothly done. Walks away. Elotio slow like a cat, targeting his prey and an overhand missed. Black fires a bullet overhand and click crashes to the earth. Small portion of the crowd goes wide. He walks over opponent's body. White comrades rushing to resuscitate Shagon Ali. Stunning play back there. Absolutely stunning knockout. We didn't see that coming. Whoa! Crashes to the earth like a log in the forest. Whoa! With a weak trust and Cisco uses better reach to keep him at bay. Cisco strikes the direct overhand and Shagon strikes, but not this time. And the thunder blow stops him in his strikes. Oh my god, this is unbelievable! A human manipulator and he collapses to Mother Earth with Cisco towering over him. What a sight to behold! Beautiful! The replay will mesmerize you. Shagon Grumada lost all motor functions as his colleagues rushes in to save him before he's lost to Mother Earth. Beautiful scene there. I mean, that was a thunderclap. Stopped his opponent there, losing all motor function skills. I mean, look at that majestic stand over his opponent. Beautiful sight to behold. Whoa! All of those overhands and back hooks with no impact. Gideon's hooks warding off Alaye's jabs. Damn! 2 direct jabs and the day's Gideon, but Alaye still finishes him off with 2 overhands and uppercuts. Gideon's like a supposed to come to Mother Earth! Oh no, it's happening! It has happened! Deserving of a replay. That is Alaye Kudu's power move. He absorbs your attacks. As you can see, Gideon's hooks made impact, but he bounced himself off Alliance is quite the brutal fighter. He kept getting away in sight to still pound him to death. So it has finally happened, ladies and gentlemen of the Dambe Warriors world.